In this very tutorial, I want to show you how to create the end credit roll using the Essential Graphics. This is applicable to the version 15 of the Premiere Pro CC. That is where that feature is actually enabled. To get started, come to Windows, then you look for your Essential Graphics. This is mine here at the right hand side. So to get it done, it seems like magic. Just click on edit. On clicking on edit, nothing is present. Click on this icon, new layer, then we click on test. So we now have the tests icon pop up here. So what do we type? What do we do? This is where you organize your information by typing whatever you need to type. Let's say director. Then you hit on V. You come to use your selection tool and scale down. This is it. You can create another line, which is this one, another text. You can make it like this. Valentine Ose. I'm just giving you an idea on how you do your type. Now let's have another write-up. Let's say editor. Let's have that by scaling this one down. Come down here. We have another by creating another title, another text. Bring it down. Still same Valentine. So we have done the simple write-up just like this. You'll notice that one thing about the Essential Graphics is that whatever you are creating is inside one folder. So this is what we've created. Nothing is happening because it's on the default still. So when you click on this, let's add more tests by clicking this icon and click on tests. So I have a bunch of tests that is here. Let me copy, Ctrl C and minimize. So let's Ctrl V. That's it. So use the selection tool. Then I'll scale it down. Scaling it down, I can change the appearance or the layout. So let's say we have something like this. So immediately you finish creating, you click on anywhere to make sure the highlighted text is not there. You come to the bottom and you see roll here. Immediately you click on the roll, something happened. All the tests have gone underneath. So you see the default info here is already, you click on start off screen, end off screen. When you play this very end row credit, this is what you get. So you see it rolling as it is being written. So if you've not also seen the tutorial on how to create the end credit roll using the legacy title, hit the card information icon at the top of your screen to watch the tutorial on how to also create the end row credit using the legacy title. This is the easiest and quickest way to use the Essential Graphics to create your end row credits just as you see in movies. So I hope this tutorial helped. If this is your first time on this channel, hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. If you also want to have a private chat with me, follow me on Instagram at Oseval_official, where we can have a dialogue. And for every one of you who wants to make a contribution to this channel, there is a PayPal link in the description where you can make your contribution. Nothing is too small. That will enable us to upgrade our gadgets so that we'll be able to dish out more tutorials that will be beneficial to every one of you that is on this channel. As always, I am Valentine Ose. See you in our next tutorial. Bye for now.